Hi, and welcome to KICO'S world, where I'm going to be taking you guys on different little episodes and different little things that I do. Some of you may know that I was brought to life by a little girl in her bedroom. She was bored and she wanted a friend, and she brought me away. But what you don't know is that I come from a place where we have many lives, many careers. And being a 50s housewife is my favorite. So with the human experience, I want to enjoy all different type of careers and all different type of lives. Why put ourselves in a box, right? Today, we're gonna bake a cake. And I'm gonna be the best 50s wife you've ever seen. So today we're gonna bake a yellow cake with chocolate icing. It happens to be my favorite. We're gonna start with, now listen, don't be talking about me in the comments, okay? Leave constructive criticism. But I'm gonna learn how to cook with the help of you guys. So, we're gonna open this. Okay. Pop this open. We're gonna pour this in here. Oh, got on the table. Yeah. All right. Oh wait, I need the box because the box. Look, some of y'all might bake cake from scratch. Like y'all make this from scratch. I haven't gotten that part yet, so we gonna do the box cake, okay? So we did that. We're done with this. We throw this away. And we need this box. We need this box. So it says heat oven to 350. So we're gonna heat this oven, preheat it to 350. And then it says grease bottom only. So we're gonna grease the bottom of the pan. And it doesn't say put flour, but I did my research and it says add a little flour. So we're gonna add some flour. I'm doing a double layer cake. Therefore, I have 2 pans that I'm going to butter and, not butter, oil and flour. So, here's my oil. Let's add some oil. Okay. Woo. Good enough. And my hands are already washed. Here's one. Go ahead and put that all around. So, mix that all around. Because what we don't want no sticky cake, okay? We don't want the cake to stick. So we're gonna rub it in. All right. Just like that. Put a little flour in here. We're gonna shake it up. You know what I'm saying? Shake it up a little bit so that the cake don't stick and the butter stay. I don't know why. If you know why they do that, put it in the comments. If I'm right, say Kiko, you got it, girl. But this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put some of this and we're gonna sprinkle it in the pan, and then we're gonna shake it up. Some people like to freeze it, but we're not gonna freeze it today. I'm hungry and I want some cake. So we don't have time for all that. We're gonna shake it up. Shake it up. And basically what we're doing is trying to get the flour to stick all around the pan. So we're shaking, and then we're gonna do the other hand. Can't do it without the other. I'm making such a big mess. So now that we got everything all shaken up, we're gonna put these to the side. And then we're gonna bring this to us. Now, the box says 1 cup of water, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. We have the eggs, we have the vegetable oil, and we've got the water. So let's go. 3 eggs. 3 eggs. 3 eggs. And now we gotta do the third one, the last one. Hopefully this is the golden baby, and when it don't spin. No shells. There it is. Okay. Boom. So we got 3 eggs in there. Then it said half a cup of vegetable oil. So we have our measuring cup. We're gonna put half a cup in here. Yeah, boy, keep pouring, boom. All right, y'all ready? Y'all ready? You ready to get this? Okay. Now we have to get a cup of water. Got my water. It's saying 1 cup of water, so we're gonna pour this water in here. Boom. And now we mix. Now, before y'all start talking about me, this is my magic wand, okay? If you use a different magic wand, then tell me which magic wand you use, because I know there's some people out there that they're gonna be like, oh, why she using it? Comment below. Is this okay or not? Okay, so we're gonna mix. Mix. You wanna see me mixing it? We're gonna mix. See, it's working. It's turning yellow. Oh. Listen, you need to be in a gym lifting weights to do this, because the arm, listen, this is a lot. I'm sweating. Woo. Okay. So now that it's whipped all up in the kitchen, we're gonna pour it in our pan. So we're gonna pour that in there. And we're gonna pour the rest in here. Boom, boom, pow. Boom, boom, pow. Boom, boom. Okay, so what we're gonna do, and don't act like y'all don't eat y'all icing. I mean y'all cake batter, because that was good already. It's good already. I already know this cake batter is good. Ooh, that, They need to sell cake batter, like edible cake batter. They did it with the cookie dough, because I definitely was eating the cookie dough as a child. But they need to do the cake batter. Okay, so basically with the rest of this, you see how there's still stuff in here? We're just gonna use a spoon and spread the rest and eat it. That is not sanitary, but nobody's eating this plate for me. Now we've got the preparation complete. Everything has been shaped and baked, poured and stored. We are gonna put it in the oven. Let's go. Bye. So I'll be back. When I come back, we are gonna layer this baby with all of this chocolate icing. Stay tuned. So here we have it, the finished results of the baking process. It's not the finished result because we have to add our icing, but it's the finishing of the baking process. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my icing onto the cake, but I'm gonna put it all on this plate, and then we're gonna transfer it to the cute little, you know, the little first show container. So, we're gonna, actually I want this one on top because this one came out a little bit more lumpy. So we're gonna put that there. Then we're gonna, oh wait, I should put icing on this first. Okay, we're gonna put icing on this first because I wanna bite into it and I want icing to be in the middle. So, let's go ahead and wipe this baby down with some creamy chocolate, okay? I don't know how we're gonna do this with extra long extendos because we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put that, you look like Dookie. Okay, I'm gonna rub that on there. Because when I bite into my cake, like I said, I want cake with my chocolate icing, honey. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want it to be more icing than cake. So, they be like this, hold on. Wait, that's the wrong one. This. There we go. We get somewhere. Yeah. There we go. Oops. So we're gonna do that. Now we're gonna do the outsides. The worst presentation. This is the worst presentation. But we're gonna go ahead and slide that around. Mind you, we're not using this plate, but it's wherever. You keep sliding the icing. So now we're gonna add the second layer. And I know y'all want to eat me up in these comments because it's so sloppy looking. And y'all be making it look so fancy. And I'm trying to be a fancy girl, okay? I'm in my fancy girl era. Boom. So then we're just gonna add the rest of this icing. That's how the lunch ladies be. They be like, with oatmeal. And we're gonna rub that on. Wait, I had this down right. Gonna rub that on. We're just gonna use the whole rest of this icing at this point. Gonna do this. Am I doing this right? Like that? You know how to be spinning it? Like that. Like boom. Then we're gonna add the sides on there. Housewife, in effect, full effect. I need to clean this up. Thank you guys, it is so sweet. I'm just gonna use the rest of this and oh, wifey alert. There we go. Up, boop, boom, out. Now you guys see my masterpiece. We're going to add some sprinkles because anybody who knows Kiko knows how I want my ice cream and my cake extra sprinkles, okay? That's what my gonna look like, alright? So, boom. Ta-da! I'm done! Okay, come look at it, come look at it, come look at it. Now we're gonna cut into it, and I'm gonna tell you how it really tastes. I can't wait to eat this. Look at that. All right. Let's taste it, please. 3, 2, 1. Okay, this might not be perfect, but the cake, I said one bite. Oh, that's good. I think I should clean up now. I'll see you guys next episode, where I'll continue to be the best wife you've ever had. Don't forget to stream look like. Bye!